Some time ago, we at Electrum Automation received a new exciting project. It was an opportunity to put our entire organization to the test. The challenge consisted of brainstorming, designing, manufacturing, and maintaining a completely new product for a customer with very high demands. We understood that the customer's requirements were out of the ordinary, so we wanted to challenge ourselves to exceed the customer's expectations. Early on, we realized that the customer did not have a clear picture of the final product and did not want to guide us in detail through the decisions that needed to be made when designing the product. It suited us perfectly since we, as innovation partners, are experienced with that particular way of working. At this stage, thanks to our many years of experience, we were highly involved in the preparation of the requirements specification. The project commenced with brainstorming various conceptual design solutions regarding both electronical and mechanical solutions. In parallel, critical components were validated in order to guarantee the quality which we and our customers has come to expect from us. After the validation phase, we felt confident moving forward with the high-level design and system integration testing. The final product is tested against the customer's validation matrix before it being considered ready for series production.
In our production, we have several control points to ensure that we follow a correct and consistent way of working. All parts are documented and validated separately, which serves as checkpoints for continued production. We have a comprehensive end-of-line test which ensures that all of our products are tested in a consistent manner. The test results are stored at an individual level for full traceability in production, but also for possible service work in the future.
How about the cooperation? Do you think it has been a success all the way, and how do you think we have performed as a supplier to you?
I think we had a cooperation and a collaborative work that has been very easygoing. We feel that we got what we expected for what we paid, and maybe even better than that.
The end result is a product we at Electrum are very proud of. We have managed to reach our goals, and above all, we exceeded the customer's expectations. Electrum, at your service for the challenges of the future.